subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Oppo sub-brand Realme has launched its new affordable 5G phone in China called Realme V5. Talking about the specifications, the Realme V5 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and on the top, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57MC3 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Realme V5 supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module that includes 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it also features UIS stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with Realme UI skin on top, and it houses a large 5000 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.13 by 75.02 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme V5 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in silver winged boy, blue and breaking light color options, and it will go on sale starting from August 7th. So, what do you guys think of this Realme V5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.